Welcome back to the discussion. We are once presenting a question on matrices, Form 3 mathematics. And the question we have reads, A and B are two matrices. If A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, find B given that A squared is equal to A plus B. The first thing we are going to do is to get A squared. And A squared is going to be obtained by taking A, which is 1, 4, 2, 3, we multiply by 1, 4, 2, 3. Remember, when multiplying matrices, we multiply rows times columns. So 1 times 1 will give us 1, then plus 2 times 4 you get 8. Then we move ahead, 1 times 2 will give us 2, plus 2 times 3 you get 6. Then 4 times 1 you get 4, plus 3 times 4 you get 12, and 4 times 4 times 1, 4 times 1 you get 4, plus 3 times 4 you get 12, then 4 times 2 you get 8, plus 3 times 3 you get 9, and this one is going to give us 1 plus 8, which is 9, 2 plus 6 you get 8, 4 plus 12 you get 16, and 8 plus 9 you get 17, and that is A squared. That is A squared. We have also been told that A squared is equals to A squared is equal to A plus B. For us to be able to find B, we move A to this other side such that A squared minus A will give us B. That means B will be equal to A squared, which is 9, 16, 8, and 17, minus A, which is 1, 4, 2, 3, and this one is going to give us 9 minus 1 you get 8, then 8 minus 2 you get 6, 16 minus 4 you get 12, and 17 minus 3 you get 14, and that is our B. Therefore, we can come down and say B is equal to 8, 12, 6, and 14, and that becomes the answer to this particular question. Remember to subscribe and also help us to share the link. We are moving to the second question that says, given that A is equal to 1, 5, I can change the pen since I'm moving to the next question. Given that A or matrix A is 1, 5 and 3, 3, and B is also given as 3, 5, 1, negative, that is positive 1 and negative 1. We have also been given C, which is P, 0, and 0Q. We are supposed to find the value of P, given that AB is equals to BC. If AB is equals to BC, we must first start by getting AB. AB is going to be obtained by multiplying A and B. That is 1, 5, 3, 3. We multiply by B, which is 3, 5, 1, negative 1. And this one is going to give us 1 times 3, you get 3, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. Then 1 times 1 is going to give us 1, plus, of course, 3 times negative 1, you get negative 3. Next, we move down. 5 times 3, you get 15, plus 3 times 5 will give us again 15. Then we move further. We are going to have 3, that is 5, multiplied by 1, which is 5 positive. Then, of course, plus 3 positive times negative 1, giving us negative 3. And this one is going to give us 3 plus 15, giving us 18. 1 plus negative 3, you get negative 2. 15 plus 15, you get 30. 5 plus minus 3, you get positive 2. And that is our AB. Next, we get BC. BC is obtained by taking B with the elements 3, 5, 1, negative 1. We multiply by C, which is P, 0, 0, Q. And this one is going to give us 3 times P, you get 3P. Then plus 1 times 0, you get 0. 3 times 0, you get 0. Then 1 times Q, you are going to get Q. 5 times P, you get 5P. Plus negative 1 times 0, it remains 5P. Then negative 1 times 0 is 0. Plus negative 1 times Q, you get negative Q. And that is BC. We have already been told that AB is equals to BC. So we are going to take AB, which is 18, 30, negative 2, 2. We equate it to 3P, 5P, Q, and negative Q, and then equate the corresponding components. That is 18 and 3P are corresponding components, and therefore 3P is going to be equal to 18. Divide by 3 on both sides, P will be equal to 6. Or if you take 3P, that is 5P, it will be able to give us 30. That means if you divide by 5 on both sides, P is going to be equal to 6. And if you need Q, Q will be equal to negative 2, or negative Q is equals to 2, meaning Q is going to be equal to 2. Since we need the value of P, we can say the value of P is 6, and that becomes the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussion. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome. For any inquiries, support, or revision materials, feel free to contact us through 0701 686 283